Hello everyone. In this session we'll discuss third question on expected value and variance. So this question on random variable is for x be a continuous random variable with probability density f of x is equal to c times of find c and find probability for x greater than 1. So this is the density function in terms of a constant c 4x minus 2x square for the region 0 to 2. Obviously it is a continuous random variable given 0 otherwise. So we have to find c first and then we have to find the value of probability for x greater than 1. Now we know one thing, for the if it is continuous, the density function integrated from minus infinity to infinity should give 1. That means integration of this, let's take this constant outside, integration of this 4x minus 2x square dx. Obviously the interval is 0 to 2 now. 0 to 2 will be equal to 1. And we can see that this c 4x, that is 2x square, and this is 2x cube by 3, limit 0 to 2 should give you 1. Right? So putting these values, we'll get c for 2x square. If we put the value 0, the lower limit is 0, so there won't be any value. For 2 it will be 8 minus 2x cube, that will become 8 and 2 16 by 3. So this is 24 and 8. So this is c equal to 3 by 8. This is the value which will satisfy the probability density condition. Then the second part is probability of x greater than 1. So we know that we have to integrate for this interval. So greater than 1 means it is going up to infinity. So that means we can integrate the density function from 1 to infinity for f of x dx. But the function is defined only within a finite region, that is 0 to 2, which makes it integration from 1 to 2. And now that the constant value is known, we'll put it 3 by 8 4x minus 2x square dx. So let's do it here. That means 3 by 8, and this is again 2x square minus 2x cube by 3 for the limits 1 and 2 equal to whatever you want, right? For the lower upper limit, this will become again like that. We have the same values. So this is 8 minus 16 by 3 minus 2 minus 2 by 3. This will be 1 by 2.